Are you in search of a natural way to breathe new life into your aging skin while improving your overall health? Then let's dive into the benefits of castor oil, a potent natural remedy. Today we'll be taking a look at 5 key ways it can work wonders for you. Firstly, we'll bolster immune function, followed by its role in promoting digestive health. Next, we'll delve into how it helps soothe aches and pains, moving unique capacity to strengthen hair. And finally, we'll discuss how rejuvenates aging skin. Now let's start unpacking these benefits of castor oil in more detail. Let's commence with an exploration into some of the most coveted benefits of castor oil. First off, it acts as a natural detoxifier, stimulating lymphatic drainage. This characteristic of castor oil plays a crucial role in the body's detoxification process, aiding in elimination of toxins. Unveiling a history steeped in richness, castor oil, a natural panacea, has been in use for centuries now, primarily for its moisturizing and nourishing attributes. In our second point, we unravel how castor oil enhances circulation. It ensures the effective transport of nutrients and oxygen, underpinning the immune function. Now, it doesn't end here. It also possesses the impressive ability to stimulate collagen production. In our third point, we delve into the antibacterial and antiviral properties of castor oil. These properties offer a protective shield against illnesses so whether you're combating dryness, looking to give your skin a firmer look, or seeking a detox solution, castor oil is a natural and potent remedy. It's an effective crusader against aging, striving to return your skin's youthful energy and glow. And the cherry on top? Its all-natural composition makes it a safe and mild option for all skin types. So for youthful and radiant skin, fortified immunity and detoxified body, castor oil could be your secret weapon. Let's tap into the power of nature and discover the health and beauty benefits of castor oil. Let's proceed to another phenomenal advantage: castor oil's capacity to act as a gentle, natural laxative, promoting regularity and alleviating the discomfort of constipation. This miracle potion, abundant in vital nutrients and antioxidants, has been celebrated for centuries for its digestive aid properties. You might be wondering how it does. Let's dive in deeper. Primarily, castor oil is like the perfect tonic for your digestive system. It provides it with crucial vitamins and fatty acids, supplying the nutrients needed to enhance nutrient absorption and support the overall function of your digestive system. By aiding in proper nutrient absorption, use of castor oil can help alleviate common digestive disorders. We all know how agonizing it can be to deal with constipation, but through regular use of castor oil, that distress could be a part of history. But wonder doesn't end there. Castor oil also plays a significant role in mitigating other digestive issues. It does this by maintaining the health of your gut. A healthy gut is the optimal condition for digestion to occur smoothly, and castor oil's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties ensure precisely that. What's the icing on the cake? Castor oil improves the absorption of nutrients from your food. Yes, got it right. By enhancing your gut's ability to absorb nutrients, it encourages a healthier, more efficient digestive system. So not only does it help maintain your current digestive health, it assists in optimizing the functionality of your gut. With castor oil, you can bid farewell to digestive issues and greet a healthier digestive system. Who could resist a natural solution for those irritating aches and discomfort? Picture a scenario where the answer to your discomfort is as effortless as reaching for a container of castor oil. Potent concoction is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a top-notch choice for relieving joint discomfort and muscle rigidity. Maybe observed a rise in stiffness following an exhaustive day or a strenuous exercise session. Perhaps your joints don't possess the flexibility they once did. This is where castor oil enters the scene. It isn't merely a topical solution, it's a natural salve that can alleviate those bothersome aches and pains from the inside out. The oil functions by curtailing inflammation, which is often the primary source of discomfort. It can also enhance mobility, facilitating easier and more comfortable movements. Therefore, next time you're feeling somewhat rigid or in pain, recall the potency of this oil. Employing castor oil, you may discover a natural reprieve from those persistent aches and pains. Did you know that castor oil is remarkably effective for your hair health? It's true. This magical potion is brimming with essential vitamins and fatty acids that nourish your hair follicles, significantly reducing hair breakage. Its benefits don't just stop there. Castor oil is incredibly beneficial for the health of your scalp. Its potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties play a pivotal role in preventing hair loss. By maintaining a healthy scalp environment, castor oil ensures the longevity of your hair. But that's not all. It also stimulates hair growth by enhancing blood circulation to your scalp. This promotes faster and thicker hair growth. Improved blood flow ensures an efficient supply of nutrients to your hair follicles, which is vital for robust and healthy hair growth. Moreover, its antibacterial properties protect your scalp from infections, contributing further to a flourishing hair growth environment. So if you're in search of a natural solution for hair loss or looking to boost your hair growth, incorporating castor oil into your routine could provide the remarkable results you need. Finally, let's discuss the rejuvenating effects of castor oil on your skin. Remarkable aspect of castor oil is its prowess to deeply moisturize and restore the skin's natural moisture balance. This not only diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, but also gives your skin a youthful, radiant glow. Furthermore, castor oil is known to stimulate collagen production. This promotes skin elasticity, firmness, and a more youthful complexion, making you feel as good as you look. But there's more. Castor oil is a natural and effective solution for all skin types. It provides a safe and gentle option for combating the signs of aging. So, if you've been battling with skin aging, why not consider castor oil? With castor oil, you might discover the natural answer to your skin aging problems. Are you ready to explore the incredible benefits of castor oil? This versatile elixir may be just what you need to transform your wellness routine. First, castor oil's nourishing properties can boost immune function, detoxify your body, and improve digestive health. It acts as a gentle laxative and improves nutrients. Second, its anti-inflammatory properties soothe aches and pains, offering relief from joint pain, muscle stiffness, and even symptoms of arthritis. For hair, it strengthens follicles, encourages growth, and enhances overall hair health. Rejuvenating effect of castor oil on your skin is truly remarkable. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a youthful complexion. So, are you ready to unlock a healthier, more radiant you with castor oil? Experience its transformative power today. And don't forget, once you've tried it, we invite you to share your experience. Tell us how castor oil has made a difference in your life. We're excited to hear your stories.